Damn, we gotta pick up the hoods now too. Yeah, this my car right here. You think it's cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 1,000 horsepower and shit. It's pretty fast. Yeah. What y'all up to?
I've seen you on TikTok.
Oh, you seen me before?
Yeah, I've seen you on TikTok.
Oh shit. Hope y'all have a nice night,
You too.
ladies.
Oh, yup, you got the Huracan.
Ooh, what the fuck?